Fractions, they're parts of a whole. Fractions, they're what I know.
Hey Jenna.
Hey Zayla.
Can you help me with my math homework?
Yeah, I can. Alright. Oh, you're dividing fractions? Oh, I can help you with that. Okay. So you see how one says 1 over 3 divided by 1 over 2?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to do keep, change, flip.
I don't know what that is.
Alright, I'll help you. So that means you keep the first fraction, you change the sign to a multiplication sign, and then you flip this fraction. Keep, change, flip.
I see it now.
And then you get 2 over 3.
Okay.
So then, you see how you have a problem like this one?
Yeah.
I can help you with that one because there's a shortcut. So it's 1 over 10 divided by 2 over 5. So you have to do keep, change, flipping now. So you get 1 over 10 times 5 over 2. Okay, so you see how 5's divisible of 5 and 10?
Yes.
So then you'd write 1 because 5 goes into 5 one time, and then 10 because 5 goes into 10 two times. So then you get 1 over 4.
Wow, I see now. That makes
Okay.
it 10 times easier.
And then, you see how there's one where there's like a 3 2/5?
Yeah.
So then you do 3 2/5, and then you gotta do times, and then add. So you get 17 over 5 divided by 3 over 2. And then you just do keep, change, flip, and you get your answer.
Okay.
Sound like a plan?
Yeah, sounds good.
Alright.
Fractions, they're parts of a whole. Fractions, they're what I know.